Hi students, welcome to our I Love Maths channel. Today I am going to tell you tricks to find prime and composite number. Okay, 1 to 100 numbers here. We have to find prime and composite number. Prime number means the number is divided by 1 and itself. Okay, that is called prime number. Composite number means the number have more than 2 factors. Okay, that is composite number. Now we will check how to find prime number and composite number in 1 to 100. Okay, first number 1. 1 is not a prime number because 1 is a factor of every number, so you cross out 1. Now 2. Yes, 2 is a prime number. Then you have to check what 2 is a prime number. Then you have to check what are the multiples of 2 that you can cross out, because that's not prime number. 4, 6, that means multiple of 2. Okay, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, then 52, 54, 56, 58, 60 and 62, 64, 66, 68, 70 and 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, here 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, then 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Okay, what are the multiples of 2? That's not prime number because that's even number, so we can cross out that. Now check next one, 3. 3 is a prime number. Yes, 3 is a prime number. You circle that. After that, you have to cross out the multiple of 3. That's not a prime number because that number will come in 3 table. No, multiple of 3 is 6. 3 already we cross out, so you can check 9. 9 also. 9 you can cross out now. Now you can check 12. We have crossed out already. Then 15 cross out now. Then 18 already we have crossed out. Then 21. Okay, cross out now. Then 24 already we have crossed out. Then 27 cross out now. 20. Then 30. 30 already we have crossed out. So then 33 cross out now. 36 already we have crossed out. Then 39 you can cross out now. 42 already we have crossed out. Then check 45. Then 48 already we have crossed out. Next 51 cross out now. 54, that also we have crossed out already. Then 57, we have to check 3 table. Okay, then 60 already we have crossed out. Now 63, this is the multiple of 3, that's why. Then 66 already we have crossed out. Then 69 cross out now. Then 72 we have crossed out already. Then 75 also multiple of 3, so cross out now. 78 we have crossed out already. Then 81 we can cross out now. Then 84 we have crossed out already. Then 87 we can cross out now because that is multiple of 3. Then 90 we have crossed out already. Then 93 is a multiple of 3, so we can cross out now. Then 96 we have crossed out already. Then 99, so you have crossed out now. So now we have to check next prime number. Okay, so which one is here? 5. So 5 is a prime number. Now you have to cross out the multiple of 5 because that's not a prime number. Okay, so multiple of 5 is 10, that we have crossed out already. Then 15 cross out already. 20 cross out already. 25 you can cross out now. 30 we have crossed out already. Then 35 cross out now. 40 we have done already. Then 45 also we have done. 50, yes, we have done already. Then cross out 55 now. Then 60 also multiple of 5, that we have crossed out already. Now 65, cross out now. 65 is a multiple of 5, so cross out now. 70 we have cross out already. Then 75 is a multiple of 5, but we have cross out already. Then 80 we have cross out already. Then 85 can cross out now. 90 we have cross out already. 95 we can cross out now. Then 100 we have cross out already. Okay, so now we have to check next prime number. Next prime number is 7. Okay, now you have to cancel the multiple of 7. Which one? Multiple of 7 is 14. We have crossed out already, so leave it. Then 21, yes, we have crossed out already. 28, we have crossed out already. Then 35, we have crossed out already, so leave it. Then 42, we have crossed out already. 2, we have crossed out already. So 49 next number, multiple of 7. So you can cross out now. Now 49 after 56, that we have crossed out already. Now 63, that also we have crossed out already. Then 70 also we have crossed out already. Then 77 is there, this is a multiple of 7, so we can cross out now. The next one, 84, we have crossed out already. Next 91 is a multiple of 7, so you cross out now. Then 98 is a multiple of 7, we have crossed out already, so leave it. Okay, now we have to check which is the prime number. Next prime number 10. Okay, next prime number 11 is there. Now this is the prime number, you circle. Now you have to cross out the multiple of 11. Okay, so 22 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 33 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 44 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 55 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 66 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 77 is the multiple of 11, we have crossed out already. Then 88 is a multiple of 11, that also we have crossed out. Then 99 is a multiple of 11, that also we have crossed out now. Okay, so next prime number you have to check, that is 13. So you have to check what are the multiple of 13. So we have to check multiple of 13 now. So multiple of 13, 26 is there, we have crossed out already. Then 39 is there, multiple of 13, that also we have crossed out already. Then you have to check 52 because this is the multiple of 13, this also we have crossed out already. Then 65 we have crossed out already. Then 78 is a multiple of 13, so we have crossed out already. Then you can check 91 is a multiple of 13, that also we have crossed out already. Okay, now next prime number 17. Okay, so you have to cross the multiple of 17. Okay, so 17 after multiple of 17 is 34, so already we have crossed out. The next number is 51, that also we have crossed out already. That means multiple of 17 you should cross out. Okay, now next number 68 already we have crossed out. Now next multiple of 17 is 85, that also we have crossed out already. Okay, so 17 is the prime number. 17 is a prime number. Okay, now you have to check next prime number. Next prime number is 90. Now you can check the multiple of 19. Okay, multiple of 19 is 38, that we have crossed out already. The next number multiple of 19 is 57, that we have crossed out already. The next number multiple of 19 is 76, that we have crossed out already. Now next number multiple of 19 is 95, that we have crossed out already. Okay, Hereafter no need to see multiple of that number, because 23 is a prime number, and remaining what are the numbers are left, they are prime numbers only. Okay, because we have crossed out the multiple of that numbers and even numbers also. So what are the numbers are left, that also prime number. 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number, then 37 is a prime number, 41, 43, then 47, then 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. Here 53 is there, then 59, then 61, okay, 67, 71, 73, 79, then 83, then 89, then 97. Okay, these all are prime number. Now we can write what are the prime number. 2, 3, 5. So 5, then 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 10, 53, 59 and 61, 67, then 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and last one 97. Okay, these are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, this is a way to find prime number between 1 to 100. Thank you.